Hello everyone, this is the video on lipid chemistry, and end of this video we able to define lipid, classify lipid and enumerate the function of lipid. Lipid are the organic substance which are relatively insoluble in water, soluble in non-polar organic solvent like alcohol, ether, benzene, chloroform, etc. They are actually are potentially related to fatty acid and utilized by the living cell. Lipid are classified in four classes. First one is simple lipid, second is compound lipid, and third one is derived lipid, and fourth is miscellaneous lipid. Simple lipid are made up of fatty acid plus alcohol. Compound lipid are made up of fatty acid plus alcohol plus additional group. Derived lipid are those which are obtained from hydrolysis of a simple or compound lipid, and miscellaneous lipid are those lipids which do not fall in any category of simple, compound and derived, but they possess the characteristic of lipid. What are simple lipids? They are ester of fatty acid with various alcohol. The example of simple lipid are triacylglycerol, triglyceride. They are also called as TAG and waxes. TAG are ester of fatty acid which glycerol they are uncharged. They are also called as natural fat. And waxes are ester of fatty acid with high molecular weight monohydric long chain alcohol. They do not use in human being but widely used in pharmaceutical companies for making lotion, cream, ointment and other products. Compound lipids are made up of fatty acid plus alcohol plus additional group. The example are phospholipid, glycolipid and lipoprotein. Third class of lipid is derived lipid, and these lipids are obtained on hydrolysis, simple and compound lipid. The example are fatty acid, steroid, eicosanoid and ketone bodies are also derived from acetyl CoA. The fourth class is miscellaneous lipid, and they possess the characteristic of lipid. For example, scalene and carotenoid. Let's go the function of the lipid. These are storage form of energy. They are structural compound of biomolecules. Second one, metabolic regulation. They act as a superficient detergent and emulsifying agent. Also act as electric insulator in neurons. They provide insulation against changes in external temperature. Other uses of lipid, they are give shape and counter of the body. They produce internal organ due to pads of fat. Help in absorption of fat soluble vitamin like A, D, E and vitamin